Okay, so I thought I might explain my process a little bit. So I don't know if the pictures make a ton of sense necessarily. So I have a printout of the labels. This one's cut up a little bit. Um, so what I do is I take some clear tape over the labels to kind of give them a gloss. I kind of screwed that up a little bit, but I'll cut off the extra, and I'm just gonna pick one that's completely glossed. Well, the road looks good. So yeah, the clear tape just gives a gloss to the printed paper. So normally I cut these out in a big batch, but I'll just do one label. So there you go. There's one glossy top label. So yeah, so I just laid the tape over the printed sheet to give me gloss, and I have stacks of these transparencies that I've already cut out. And so what I like to do is I will take a white sheet of paper to make it easier to glue these guys. I've got my isolinear chip. So put the glue on the rough side. Brand new glue stick. And just rub some glue on it, and then do the other side. And it doesn't actually take a ton of glue, like really just kind of a thin bit, and it just kind of bumps right in the recess. And so if you look, yeah, there's really not a ton of glue. You can't even really see that there's much in there. And then we'll do the same for the top labels. Just, oh god, this is a new glue stick, so there's just a ton of glue coming off of this. Really just a little bit of glue will do wonders. And then I line up the little black strip on the left side, so there's going to be a little bit of an overhang. Wrap it around, and then that usually makes one side of this line up on the back. So we've got the label lined up, and one side's a little long, and that's kind of normal. And now that we've got the long side, and I just literally take my X-Acto knife and just run it along the long side. Boom. Isolinear chip. And so you really don't have much glue, glossy label, wrapped around, done and done.